Monaco, pulling in here and out of the military grade police weapon. No one come on. Please, they're like, no, let me see that. And then you try to fight back or whatever. You alert them. You can't figure it out. What is this thing? You don't have light. It is, yeah. Damn. Mark, you really real.